Here's a new 2018 Mazda CX-5. A compact SUV you can be proud of. This CX-5 handles like a sports car and looks as poised and powerful as a predatory animal on the hunt. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, dual-zone climate control, integrated navigation system, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front heated sports seats, smartphone wireless charging, voice activation, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and doors and push-button start proximity key. With Mazda, driving is what matters most. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Mazda, a MileOne company, is conveniently located at 4372 Holland Road in Virginia Beach.